Hello students, I hope you all are safe and healthy. I Ajit Singh from Colonel's Brighton Public School will teach you computer of grade 7. So this is a part 1 video for the chapter 2 using MS Excel as a database. So let's start the part 1 of this chapter students using Excel as a database. हम एक्सेल को एज अ डेटाबेस कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अ डेटाबेस इज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू द पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट सच एज अ मेंटेनिंग एड्रेसेस एंड फोन नंबर्स, अ लिस्ट ऑफ लाइब्रेरी बुक्स, keeping students' records pertaining academic and co-curricular achievements, keeping employees' information, etc. It helps the users to organize, retrieve, sort, and edit data as per their requirements. So database consists of fields and records. In simple terms, records refer to rows and fields refer to columns in Excel. Field, a column within a database that contains only one type of data is called field. Only one type of data. For example, roll number, name, addresses are different fields. Records, a row in a database is called a record, which consists of these information about the one person or a one object. For example, in the given figure 101 Anju 75 minus 80 82 90 247 82.33, one of the students forms a record. And field name, it is a column label the field in a database. All the field names appear in one row. For example, roll number, name, English, Hindi, maths, total, percentage are the fields name in the given database. Next, using a form to enter data. A form is a window that contains numerous fields to enter, modify, and view one record as a time. Each field holds a field name so that any user who views the form or enter data in it get an idea of its content. Forms often contain command buttons or the other control performs various tasks. When you enter information into a form, the data gets saved directly to the database. Note, before adding a record in the form, the worksheet must have field names at the top or top of each column. Microsoft Excel uses these field names as a label to ease the process of entering records in a form. Make sure that there are no blank lines in the range of data. In Excel 2016, Forms options is hidden. To add form button, select the file and option. The Excel options dialog box opens. Select the quick access toolbar option in the left pane. Click on the drop down arrow to choose command from list box. Select the command note in the ribbon option from the drop down list and choose the form. After that, click on the add button. Click OK and you will find the form button on the quick access toolbar. Next, adding a new record in a form. आप नया रिकॉर्ड कैसे ऐड कर सकते हो फॉर्म में. यूजिंग द डेटा फॉर्म वी कैन ऐड अ न्यू database record. Follow these steps to enter record. First, click on the cell A1. Select the form button on the quick access toolbar. The sheet 1 dialog box appears. It contains the record of the first student in your database. To add a new record, click on the new tab. Type the data in the respective fields for the new record. After you have finished typing data, press enter key to add a row and bottom of the range or table. You can move the previous or next record by clicking on the file, find and find previous, find next buttons respectively. Click on the close button to close the data form. सर्चिंग अ रिकॉर्ड, आप कैसे रिकॉर्ड्स को सर्च कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ यूज टू सर्च records with the specific values. Click on the form button. Select the criteria button in the sheet 1 dialog box. Type the data that you want to search in the appropriate fields. For example, type 104 in the roll number text box and press the enter key. If the record is exist, अगर record में है and matches, वो match होता है, that value given. Otherwise the first record will be displayed. No more rules to enter field names. Each field name should be placed in a separate cell. Field names should be a unique. Quick quiz, what is database? Deleting a record. How to delete a record? Firstly, to delete a particular records, click on the form button and sheet 1 dialog box. Move to the desired record by clicking on either find previous button or find next button. After selecting it, click on the delete button. Excel promotes you to confirm the operations. You cannot undo a raw deletion after you confirm it. Let's discuss. Importance using form. Sorting data. How to sort data. Sorting means arranging the data either is in ascending or descending order. In a worksheet, data can be sorted rows on the basis of text, numbers or dates. So once the data is organized and it becomes easy to work with it. Follow these steps to sort the given data. Open any worksheet and select the cell range that you want to sort and click on any cell, say B2. Now select the sort button in the sort filter group on the data tab. The sort dialog box appears and the entire database gets selected. Click on the sort drop down arrow and select the fields on the basis of which you want to sort data. For example, select the name field, select the value option from the sort on drop down list. Select the sorting order from the order drop down list. If sort by contains alphanumeric data, then A to Z option gets selected automatically. In case sort by contains numeric data, the smallest or largest options get selected. Select the My Data has a headers checkbox included first row containing the column heading for sorting. Otherwise, uncheck the checkbox that include the first row headings or sorting. Click OK. The database will be sorted in descending orders on the basis of named fields. In Excel, you can also sort more one columns. For example, after you sorting the name, you want to arrange the list by roll number. So to sort by more than one columns and follow the given steps. Click on the add label button in the sort dialog box. After that, a new label gets added below in the first label. Select the column name as a roll number in the then drop down list and order to sort largest to smallest in the order to drop down list in a new label. Click OK. Thank you very much student to watching this video.